Wait, that's not my E36. Hold on, where the E36 at? There she is. I'm trying to catch this cold start action. Haven't started her up in a few days. Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Six. You already know. Today we're about to take a good cruise in the E36. I found some back roads. It's my first day driving a car in a couple of days, gang. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't drove it in a couple of days. I've been driving the F30 like y'all know. I drive the F30 to work, so a lot of days when I come up from work I just want to chill and lay down, so I'll just lay down. But I still got to continue driving this car so I can continue mastering manual and really learning what I'm doing in this car, because like I said, I mean, like y'all know, I'm not perfect. I'm really not that good of a manual driver, but I'm learning. I'm getting better, and today we're gonna just cruise. We're gonna just cruise today in the E36. And y'all know I gotta keep coming with the content because it's only up from here with this car. It might scrape right here too. This car is so low. But today I kind of want to focus on just rev match downshifting. Oh my God, this car screams. This car literally screams. Holy shit, this car screams. Woo. Good rev match. Damn, I caught a red light. I hate this. And I'm on a little bit of a hill. Uh-oh. Who knows how this might go? This might not go too well, but we finna see. My nigga to my right, he like, damn, this nigga got a GoPro on his head. I know niggas be looking at me like, bro, why this nigga got a GoPro on his head, man? It's for the tube, man. It's for the content. It's a different world, man. Hold on, when this light turn green, I gotta be ready. I gotta go in first gear. I think it's about to turn. I'm trusting it. I'm trusting it. I'm trusting it. Slow start. Very, very, very slow. Woo! That wasn't the best. I scraped a little bit back there. I got off that light though. I got off. First. Second. That was a smooth shift. Third. Another smooth shift. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, in this car, and since I'm learning the car, shifting into third and to fourth is like the smoothest for some reason. I don't know if it's me doing it or if it's just that's how the car is, but I'm trying to downshift into third, rev match. Well, it worked, but I know I'm coming to a light up here, so I need to slow down. Because I don't know what this light, if it's gonna be red or green. It's red. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna rev match in a second. Oh, that was actually surprisingly very perfect. That was surprisingly so perfect of a downshift. Holy crap, gang. I'm really getting better at this shit. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm pretty sure my camera like just broke like mid while I was like driving. Somehow like my GoPro literally like shut off and I just missed like a minute of footage. To my left here is where we're about to go cruise at, for real. That's where the real Rose is. Now this is what I'm talking about. Car wasn't in front of me. Are they turning? Why are they slow? Why are they braking? Woo. I know y'all hear it popping. The crackles, that's the craziest part. Okay, now that they're gone, now we can cruise. This car is insane. Woo! Shit got my blood rushing, gang. Damn, this car gets my blood rushing. Crazy. Love it. Love the car, man. Love the car so much. I'm gonna turn around though. Clutch in and coast. Reverse. Reversing is one of the hardest things, to be honest, about driving manual. I would definitely say though that I'm getting better. That I will say. A decent shift. I'll take that. Woo! Do y'all hear how loud this car is? I hope y'all can hear it. Damn, that sun is bright. My bad, y'all. I can barely see my damn self. So I'm gonna give these cars in front of me a little bit of space, because as we go back through these hills, I really want to be able to kind of, you know, let loose a little bit and then really enjoy it. Downshift in a second. That was a good downshift. The throttle response is... This car's tune definitely hit with the throttle response. I'll say that. This car's tune hit with the throttle response. Let's do a little second gear pull. Woo! Woo! Oh shit. Hold on, let's play it safe. Oh shit. Nah, this little car moves. This little 200 horsepower car moves, gang. I swear to God it moves. I would never lie to you. This car moves like my F30. Holy shit. This. This car sounds so crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. This shit sounds so crazy. Oh my Lord. Well, that's the end of those roads, but oh my Lord. This car sounds so insane, gang. What a cruise. What a cruise today has been, gang. Like, just going out and driving this car like this. This is what brings me life. I go out and drive this car for 30 minutes to an hour and it'll make my whole day, my whole week. I only get to drive this car like 3 times a week, maybe 4 at max. Cause I'm always busy, and when I do get a chance to drive it, I like to drive it when there's not that many cars out. I don't like driving this car in traffic and all that shit because I barely know how to drive it, and I'll be stalling out in traffic and doing all that shit. So I try to avoid driving this car when it's busy on the roads. Drive it late afternoon like this, or like in the middle of the night, literally. But this is the E36. Plans for the car. It's already on coils. I'm about to do a cooling kit, radiator, hoses, everything involved with cooling the car. I already got sparks and plugs at the crib. I'm gonna put those in, do an oil change, you know, all the basic maintenance stuff. But I mean, other than that, maybe a cold air intake. That's really it. I'm not going too crazy. Go too crazy because the car is already so lovely. Obviously, I'll probably gut the rear and once I start learning how to drift it, but for now, like, as I just learn how to drive the car, and I'm actually getting really good. Like, I'm really surprised with myself right now for how well I'm driving this car right now, because normally I'm way more rusty and jerky than this, but I'm actually shifting pretty well. I just drove pretty well. But Yeah, cooling, sorry guys, cooling, intake, maybe might fuck with the tune a little bit. Angle kit eventually, definitely I gotta reinforce the subframe on this car because the subframe has a lot of damage to it. It's really rusty. This car came from up north. It was a New York car for like when it was owned through the like 90s, early 2000s, and those cars from up there get a lot of rust on them on the subframe. So reinforce the whole subframe, do new axles. I don't know, I might stay on the stock axles actually because I've heard that they last pretty long. I mean, control arms, all new bushings, of course. I don't know if they're going or not. Okay, they are going. Just gonna make sure the car is running well and that it can stay in good condition. That's my main focus with this car, is that it continues to run. It's gonna run well. It stays in good condition, like mint condition, like how it is right now. And obviously I'm gonna do a steering wheel. I don't know if I ever said that, but I do plan to do a steering wheel. But other than that, I mean, not much I'm gonna do to the car, to be honest. There's a security guy over there. He's probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Don't worry about it, dude. I'm not breaking the law, dude. I'm just recording. I'm getting footage, bro. I'm getting footage. That's it. Fuck. My e-brake doesn't work? There we go. So, like I said, gang, with the car, damn, the car looks good as shit right now. How does it look to you guys? Let me take this off my head. With the car again, I feel like the fitment is literally already perfect. The dude who I bought the car from literally made the fitment perfect. Like, I'm not even gonna change the fitment, honestly. I'm just gonna change the rims. I'm just gonna get probably some, not gonna say, but this is the front end. You guys see these headlights? How fucking sick are these, dude? Like, the dude who I bought it from gave me the car with these headlights basically already installed, and like, I don't know where he got them, but they're so sick to me. The M badges on the side is one of the sexiest parts to me about the whole car. And when I start driving this thing with the top down, gang, it's gonna be insane. It's the E36, gang. I'm finna go to the spot. Just want to show y'all the car from the outside. I'm finna pull up to the crib, though. The crib is like literally like right over there. But this is the Eon, like I said, with the engine, radiator, all new hoses, new seals, new sparks and plugs. I don't know if I'm gonna go M50 manifold. I might go M50 manifold, I'm not sure yet. Cooling, everything like that. Angle kit, you already know. Control arms, bushings, everything like that. And then the car might be straight. I don't know if I'm gonna weld the diff still, because the car's such a gem. I don't know if I want to weld the diff, but if I can see if I can find an LSD for this car, that's gonna be the move. Facts. But it's your boy 6, man, and I ain't with E36. Appreciate y'all for tapping in on this video. More content on the way. Got some F30 content coming soon too, because I got some coming in for the F30 too. So tap in with that. Y'all stay tapped in with me, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. I'ma holla at y'all.
Niggas losing around just like flies. Niggas capping, I see all the lies. I won't let it by. Yeah, a lot of shit be lame. I gotta make my own way.